How to pin comments on YouTube Shorts. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can pin comments on YouTube Shorts. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up your YouTube. Make sure you're logged in into your account. Then what you can do is head over to your bottom right corner on your YouTube profile. After you do that, you will need to head over to your channel to see your short. Tap on view channel, and after you tap on it, you should be on your page right here. Tap on your shorts, then head over to the short that you want. And after you're on the short, tap on the comment section. And on the comment section, you'll find different, your different comments. So after you're on your comments, what you can do is the comment that you like, simply tap on the three dots right besides the comment. And after you do that, you'll see these many options. Tap on the pin option. And after you do that, you can then simply, you know, pin this. Now, you will need to be verified for this as well. So just do that. And yeah, after the verification is done, you will have pinned your comment on YouTube. And it's that simple. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more. And bye bye. Take care.